We are a technology-based SME established in 2006 in Barcelona. We are specialized in IoT and artificial intelligence solutions. So we are a small company with a strong focus on innovation and R&D. In textile industry, we are speaking about some long processes that sometimes involve several days. So that means that the materials must be moved within the factory and must be stored for a few days at least. And it makes sometimes this makes difficult to locate specific materials or specific orders, and also to have a detailed track about the process and the time that it takes for each step and these kind of things. As mentioned, we were developing this indoor location solution. So discussing with Eliar, we find out that it could be possible to use this indoor location system in order to track more efficiently or easily these materials within a factory. I would like to thank the whole team from MInd4Machines because they give us a lot of support. They have been always very helpful.
Eliar was established in 1984. He designed, developed and manufactured products for textile dyeing sector and government certified R&D center. We have focused on, firstly, of course, we need data for digitalization information and integrating systems at all stages of product development and utilization, displaying real time, so which reducing the time to find fabric in the dye house and decreasing delayed deadline in the factory, retrieving location data of a Yabi device that we use for tracking the fabric, and using LoRaWAN network and seeing a real position of a fabric on the factory map after integrating software systems of 3 partners. Was the best.
Our main production area is manufacturing, knitting fabrics and dyeing, printing, and also its wet treatment in finishing departments. MITEX use their own ERP system in the factories, but couldn't be tracked online or in one module. It can only follow the process that fabric goes through if the employee uses the barcode scanner properly. So exactly for this reason, when the fabric is wanted to be found, ERP just looking for an ERP which process was passed at last and has taken the time and machine information and look around, causing a waste of time. Finding the fabric is much easier now because the online tracking platform shows the fabric where is around in real time, and many routes can be followed flexibly in Textile easily. So this platform also getting all data on database to analyze process time and compare with the deadline of the order. I would like to thank you, our project partners with the MInd4Machines project team.